This is the HotRodTractor hook at the 1010 Memorial Pull in Burton, Ohio, October 10th, 2008. Getting ready, first pull of the open class.
Here we go, you need some body work done? Action Auto. We have Action Auto sponsoring this evening. We also have Excalibur Collision located in Auburn, Ohio on East Washington Street. Alright, let's move. We're ready to begin our open diesel class. Alright, first up we have Jason Hoffman on Mingo with a 2004 F-250.
On the last
board. We got a leaker on the track.